All right, suppose you're a condo developer and you're designing a rectangular field of grass, right? That's going to be a little play area, jungle gyms, whatever. And it's got these measurements, 130 by 95 feet. And you want to have a walkway around it in concrete. And we want to know how much concrete is actually necessary for this. Well, it's got to be 3 feet wide, right? That's something given to you. We want this thing to be wide enough people aren't just wandering off into the grass all the time. And how much area is on that? Well, there's a bunch of ways you could calculate this. If you wanted, here's the hardest thing I can think of. You can imagine this thing being trapezoids. Like there's a trapezoid and there's a trapezoid, right? And calculate the area of each of those. That's the hard way. You can imagine calculating it as single rectangles where you know you have to double count this portion right here and then subtract that off again. That's also kind of hard. I'd rather do it the easy way. If you have a 95-foot wide section of grass and 3 extra feet on either side, well, that's going to make this 101 feet, right? 95 plus 3 plus 3. And likewise, 130 plus 3 plus 3 means this distance over here is going to be 136. So you see 2 rectangles here. Why don't we just calculate area this way? Let's say the area of the black walkway equals the area of the black rectangle. Okay, so that's going to be 101 times 136. That's everything inside the black perimeter. And I want to do minus everything inside the green perimeter. So 95 times 130, right? The difference in the area of those 2 rectangles will give you the amount of concrete you need. Okay, 101 times 136. Okay, this tells me we've got, let's see, for the black portion, the concrete rectangle, or everything inside the black rectangle, I should say it differently, is going to be 13,736. And everything inside the green rectangle, 5 times 130, is going to be 12,350. Okay, subtract those two, 736 minus that thing, and you get the following. You get the area of just the black walkway, and that's equal to 1,386. I think this is the fastest way to do this problem. But if you like, go ahead and cut it up into pieces. That's always fun to get practice at too.